Welcome to this video. One simple way to maintain your perfect smile. Hi, my name is Mark Hall. I am 54 years old and I live with my wife, Martha, in a small town next to Charlotte, North Carolina. I have always been passionate about plants and their ability to keep us healthy. Therefore, I have been researching some of the best natural ways that could help anyone support their healthy teeth. So, what I did was to perfect an easy, yet powerful formula, which consists of amazing vitamins and plants, such as vitamins A, C, D3 and K2, phosphorus, potassium, zinc, microencapsulated calcium, MEC, xylitol, collagen, MSM and spearmint/peppermint. I truly believe this formula is a work of art. And I will be more than happy to share it with anyone who needs it. A formula that will support the health of your teeth, keeping them strong and your breath fresh. Before turning this formula into a supplement, I made sure that it is are natural, sourced from local growers that let plants reach their full maturity and use no chemical treatments. Are mixed in the right way and in the right amount to keep their properties intact. Are processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipment. After all my requirements were 100% met, we finally had the final product. I called it Denatox Pro. The product is made here, in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards. Denatox Pro is non-GMO and safe. You can rest assured that it does not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are not habit-forming. That's right. Just $69. You can get a 30-day supply of Denatox Pro for a one-time fee of just $69. And you can get access to everything in the next 90 seconds. You can now support the health of your teeth with 100% natural ingredients, no matter if you are 40 or 80 years old. Plus, with every order made today, you also get free shipping. How does that sound? Take a look below. The moment you place the order, you'll be taken to a secure checkout page. Just fill in your payment details by using a credit or debit card. After you fill in your information and confirm, your package will be shipped for free right to your doorstep as soon as possible. If you order the 3 bottles or 6 bottles package, which we highly recommend as we estimate that we will run out of stock soon as this has happened before, you'll also take advantage of a huge discount. Just click below to select your package. As you can see, you have 3 purchase options. 1 bottle for 1 month for $69, 6 bottles for 6 months for $49 and 3 bottles for 3 months for $59. As you can see, the more you buy, the more you save. Choose the supply that best suits your needs. All you need to remember is that Denatox Pro can be found only on this page and is not available for purchase anywhere else. So, take advantage of the only chance to grab this exclusive formula. Once again, DentaDox Pro is selling very fast, as thousands of people are eager to see for themselves the amazing results of this product. But once it will be sold out, it will take me at least 8 months to restock on the rare ingredients and produce another batch. So, hurry up and make your choice. If you have doubts, I totally get you. I am so confident that DentaDox Pro will work for you too that I'm going to give you. Our ironclad 60-day, money-back guarantee. If you are not happy with the benefits DentaDox Pro has to offer, we will issue a full refund. Just contact us in the first 60 days from your purchase. Even if you used up the entire bottle or not, we would still give you your money back. This means you have 2 whole months to see if DentaDox Pro is the right choice for you or not. No hidden fees or subscriptions. Just a safe and secure one-time simple payment. Make your choice by clicking below, enter your payment details on our secure order form, and place the order now. We will ship your bottles directly to your home. I can't wait to hear your opinion after trying DentaDox Pro. Remember, for each order of 3 and 6 bottles you will have a big discount, and every order comes with free shipping, no matter where you live. To conclude, I remind you, 1 bottle for 1 month for $69, 6 bottles for 6 months for $49 and 3 bottles for 3 months for $59. As you can see, the more you buy, the more you save. Choose the supply that best suits your needs. At the bottom of the page you will find all the resources that may be useful to you. Contact references, terms of use, disclaimer, privacy policy, etc. To buy the product you can go both where I showed you before, but also by clicking on Get Started. In the video description you will find the link to buy the product. Remember to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications via the bell to be always updated.